Hey, happy Tech Tip Tuesday. Good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever you happen to be. We have something really exciting to talk about today. So for those technicians out there, we think you will love this. For those that aren't familiar, this is your normal fiber cleaver. One thing we didn't like, and for those that are out there terminating fiber, me as a former technician, one of the things that I found really frustrating was that they put a little sticker on here and you're supposed to go out 28 millimeters. You're supposed to hold that fiber at just the right spot, then go through and flip down the lock and the cleave and everything while maintaining that 28 millimeters. At IFP Connect, we found that to be frustrating and unreasonable. It was just too complicated. So we looked at it and we said, okay, how can we make this easier for you guys? So if you're an IFP Connect dealer, reach out to us and we will send you a different adapter. This different adapter will allow you very easily to cleave that fiber without having to worry about where you're at. Because what we've done is we've customized this little piece here. Now what you have is you actually have a tube that you insert the fiber into, it bottoms out, then you're able to cleave that fiber. So you get the perfect cleave every time. So if you're an IFP Connect dealer, reach out to us. We will send you one of these adapters at no charge. Or if you're a new dealer, make sure and put that in your initial order and say, hey, please send me that custom fiber adapter. We'll throw one in the box for you. It's literally one screw. You pull out the one that comes in the cleaver, put this new one in, and you're good to go. You'll love it. Okay? Have fun out there, guys. Enjoy your Tuesday.